It almost feels like borderline greasy.
Then what we not gonna do?
Princess, my angel, you're my lover, you're the one, you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Alright, in this video we're going to be talking about the TGIN, aka Thank God I'm Natural, their new Miracle RepairX line. So first things first, alright, if you are new here,
First off, welcome.
all my old time subscribers, you guys know I love y'all so very much. And let's go ahead and get into this video. All right, so I just washed my hair with the TGIN, the Miracle RepairX Moisturizing Shampoo. So it has black honey and coconut oil, and it's also no sulfates, parabens, lanolin, petroleum, mineral oil, artificial colors, or animal testing. 13 fluid ounce, and it does have a pump. I have a love-hate relationship with pumps because, you know, if my hands are really slippery, I just like to go ahead and pour it, just pour it out, just a little bit. Some people really like the pump action, so if that's what you like, that's what you get. You get a good enough amount with each pump. With just one pump, you get about that much. Hold up. We don't waste. And mind, we're not gonna waste good product. That's what we not. That's a whole pump. It did leave my hair feeling very soft, as if I put a leave-in or like a conditioner in my hair, which was really nice. However, after I wrapped my hair in a t-shirt and took out my t-shirt, my hair felt very dry. But I don't expect for shampoos really to leave my hair feeling silky smooth, you know what I'm saying? I don't expect that or whatever. But this shampoo is an intense hydrating shampoo for dry, damaged, and brittle hair. So then I moved on to their Miracle Repair Deep Hydrating Hair Mask. Guys, this stuff made my hair feel so good. I love the smell. It's like a very, I don't know how to explain. It's a very fresh smell, but like kind of florally a little bit. But the good thing is the second ingredient, you guys, is raw black honey. A lot of these products will have certain ingredients that they put on the front, and then you look on the back of the ingredients and it'll be like the 6th or 7th ingredient, which you know is not that much of that good stuff in there. But the fact that the first ingredient is water and the second one is raw black honey, I'm like, okay, TGIN, okay. I'm thanking God that I'm natural, amen. So the raw honey has more nutrients in it, and it's supposed to come like straight from the beehive, and you know, it's not going through the whole pasteurization process like regular honey would. So the fact that it's raw honey means it's pretty much packed with really, really good nutrients, and the nutrients aren't being lost within the certain processes of pasteurization and all that good stuff. And mind, I'm very pleased that it does have the raw honey. I don't really see that in products. And coconut oil. So it's funny because my hair, like I say this in every video, but my hair don't like regular coconut oil, but if it has products that are infused with coconut oil, it does just fine. So my hair feels very hydrated, very soft, but I know that my hair does like honey, so I kind of expected for it to feel really good. Okay, so they also have a leave-in conditioner from the Miracle RepairX line. So I'm excited to try this. I have not tried it yet. So that's a good amount that you get in one pump. Oh, it smells very, oh God, this smells better than all the ones that I've tried. But it's a very, very creamy like consistency, not as thick as the hydrating mask. Feels like a lotion, and it smells like perfume, very light perfume. So it's going on my hair very well. It feels like really good. Yeah, this stuff moisturizing, okay? Yeah, so yeah, it's like putting on a lotion on your body. You instantly feel like your legs ain't ashy and chapped and just ungodly. That's how my hair feels. Like it just instantly feels really good. Almost. It almost feels like borderline greasy.
Then what we not gonna do?
But not.
I know you lying.
That makes no sense. I know. It just feels like I put a really, really thick hydrating butter in my hair. There you go. There you go. There you go, Raina. I know you were struggling to get that out. Oh, it's not a thick product. it just feels very hydrating. Very, very hydrating. So in my opinion, it's not really a light conditioner. It doesn't say that it's light, but it's not really a light conditioner and it's not really a heavy. I think those type of conditioners are perfect, especially for like wash and goes, because it's not too light but it's not too heavy. So TGIN also has a Miracle Repairx curl food, and this can be used kind of like a moisturizer, and it can be used to do some styles that you would like to set, such as like twist outs and 2-strand twists. That's what it says on the back. Only thing with that, it does not talk about any type of hold, so we already know that's not gonna work for me alone. It's a thick consistency. It looks like it does. Oh, it's really thick actually. My bad, I didn't even put my finger. It's almost like the same consistency as the deep conditioner. That mess is thick. Oh my god, this feels really thick. Like, wow. So I'm just gonna take a little bit. It says you don't need a lot, so I'm gonna take about this much. That may be too much. It doesn't really have like a smell like that. Again, it's very thick. Very thick. Oh my god, y'all. Your hair. Listen, y'all are interested in trying this product. Your hair is going to thank you. Yeah. Wow. That's all I can really say. Okay, TG. You about to really start something over here, girl. Don't you do it, TG. Look at the shine that I have. Like, look at the shine. So last but not least is their Anti-Breakage Serum. So although this is a hair serum, you can also use it as a deep treatment, as a hot oil deep treatment. I love like your 2-for-1s. Okay, amen. Oh, okay, so that came out really fast. But obviously it's a really runny oil. Ooh, this stuff. Oh, it smells so good. So they don't all smell the same, which I guess is a good thing. But this, it smells like you put on like a florally type of perfume, but like a very fresh, like shower gel, like flowery Bath and Body Works type of smell. I think a little goes a long way. Kind of similar to an olive oil, or maybe more so an avocado or grapeseed oil. That's what it kind of reminds me of as far as the consistency goes. I wish you could feel my hair. And let me just say, this is not sponsored, okay? This ain't sponsored. These are Happycurlhappygirl approved. Me personally, I'm just get really real quick, okay? Me personally, I'm not personally gonna go buy a whole line personally. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna buy an entire line, because God knows that I'm just going to buy one, maybe 2 things, just personally. So if you are like me and you just don't want to buy the entire line, I would definitely get the hydrating mask, okay? I love this stuff. As you know, it's very imperative to stick to a regimen that is consistent, especially with deep conditioning. So why not use your hard-earned coin? So I would definitely go ahead and purchase this one if I had to just choose out of the line. And then we can always use a good leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner is very hydrating. It has shea butter, green tea extract, and coconut oil is some of the top ingredients. So this is why this mess is so hydrating and just amazeballs. And last but not least is the curl food. If you are really into butters, this is great because the second ingredient is glycerin and third is shea butter. The fact that you can use this daily and you can use it as a setting cream, it's a win-win, you know what I'm saying? And it looks like they have like 2-for-1s. Like, you know, you can use this as, you know, a hot oil treatment or a hair serum. You can use this as a daily moisturizer, or you can use it to set your twist out. So you have your leave-in. So out of the 5, I would definitely choose one of these 3 if it was me. If I was in the store and I'm like, which one do I want to try? I would definitely choose one of these 3. Y'all just really doing it, okay? I see you, okay? So let me just go ahead and take this down and see how my hair is still feeling. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest really quick. This back section, after sealing it with the hair, so this side just feels a whole lot better than just the side that has the leave-in. So I would definitely follow up with the curl food after using the leave-in conditioner, or like, you know, their hair serum or another oil, whatever. But this side feels really, really good after applying like the entire line on my hair, as opposed to the side that just doesn't have like the curl food but it only has the leave-in. Like, I wish you could just come through the screen and just feel how good my hair feels like. I really wish you could. I really wish you could. So yeah, I would rock my hair like this. You know, I gotta run some errands or whatever, or just around the house, letting my hair just kind of just breathe without putting like extra styling products on it and stuff like that. But mainly I wanted to go ahead and just really test out these products and see if they were super hydrating as it claims to be for dry, for damaged, and for brittle hair. They are Happycurlhappygirl approved and mod. So y'all, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope you laughed. You know what I'm saying? I hope, you know, you found something that you might want to buy or whatever. Be sure to check the description box for all the prices and where you can find these products. If you have not subscribed, we have fun over here. Okay, we have a good time. Come on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see you guys in my next video.